Now this week, it's a very simple one, but it's a simple one that has a great deal of meaning. Now, this is the part of the show where we talk terminology. If you don't know what it is, I'll just give you a little brief recap on it. It's terms and words and phrases that you hear around your barn. You might hear your vet talk about it. You know, veterinarians are animal doctors, but these are terms that you might hear, and we kind of define them as what they mean to a farrier, what they mean to a vet, and what they should mean to you. Now this week, it's a very simple one, but it's a simple one that has a great deal of meaning, and we're going to talk about the vertebrae. And it says right here on my handy dandy cheat sheet, says vertebrae, a series of individual bones forming the backbone, having several projections for muscle attachments and protecting the spinal cord. Typically, an equine averages 54 turtles 54 total vertebrae, but this can vary according to the breed. So vertebrae.
How long their tail is.
So when we talk about vertebrae, Mike, what are we actually dealing? Why are we discussing it here during the show?
Well, you'd have the vertebrae down the back. We've been talking about the back, and the spinal column goes from the end of the tail all the way up to the base of the skull. And, it's kind of important to have. And if you don't have one, you're a jellyfish.
It's literally the backbone of the horse.
The backbone of the horse, literally. And, each vertebrae, you have, the thoracic vertebrae, that some have ribs coming off of them and form the rib cage, the lungs in there and all that sort of deal. And then going to the lower back where you get below the, where you have ribs coming out, you have vertebrae. In the neck, you have vertebrae, and they run all the way up to the tail. And, the whole deal. Each little bone is a vertebrae. It's got the spinous process you can feel sticking up the top. And without that, we wouldn't have a horse now, would we?
Vertebrae is the series of individual bones forming the backbone. And if you don't have a backbone, like Mike says, you are a jellyfish.